Meaning of exogamous.
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 Exogamous. Exogamous refers to the custom of marrying outside of one's social group or community. This means that individuals who are exogamous choose spouses from different cultural, ethnic, or religious backgrounds. Exogamy promotes diversity and genetic variation, creating connections between different groups. It can also facilitate social integration and reduce conflict between distinct communities. However, exogamy can also lead to cultural clashes and rejection from families or society. Overall, exogamy is a complex phenomenon that reflects people's desire for connection and diversity.